So as all of my friends and family knows, we just bought a brand new keyboard, our first keyboard we've ever owned. It's a Yamaha MODX6 Plus. So what do we need to do now is we need to learn how to play it. A couple of ways, I could drive to town when they have an opening and take a slow road to learning in person. Or I reached out to one of my friends at Sweetwater and they recommended pianote. So we signed up for pianote, and a few days later we received this package in the mail. So let me show you what they sent me. Once again, make sure you go on an angle. So I got the packing list. Piano Chords and Scales, the Ultimate Guide. Put that up here. I've got a pianote planner. And I've got the classical piano pieces you can actually play from pianote. Here you go, Bella. So now we have some study aids that we can use to start learning how to play the piano. We've got some chords. We've got a scale. This is full of all good information right here. This is just tremendous amount of information we get to practice. This is exciting. So now we'll have something we can use to practice and get better every day. So please follow me on my journey. My first keyboard. We're going to learn how to play it. We're going to stay with pianote for a while and let them train us and teach us. And it's an online, so you go as you have time. When you have a full-time job and you have Bella, you got to find time a little bit here and a little bit there. We usually do it late in the evening around 9 p.m. We get up, take about an hour before we go to sleep, and learn the keys, do a few things. Right now we're learning how to put our fingers on the keyboard and have the left hand and the right hand and the brain connect, and that's a challenge in itself. So I wanted to show everybody what we came in. So we've got some training aids here that's going to help us along, plus with the videos that they offer online. I think we're set. We hope everybody has a great day. Stay safe. Until next time, the Cajun and Bella. Bella, want to say hello? See you later.